guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change image banner size on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here on your online store and then click on this customize just beside your theme. And now this will actually lead you to the Shopify editor. Now what you can do is you can head over and select the template that is named image banner. So once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the settings. So we have here the first image, second image, and all of these things right here. Now, in order to change the image size, what you can do is you can click on this banner height right here and you can adjust it up to large. So the large size actually looks like this, and as you can see, they have more space right around here. Now, if you adjust it into small, as you can see, it will diminish the size of that particular picture. And then from in there, just head over and save your progress and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.